Hey, Joseph.
Asibelezele umuntu simjubujile umuntu simfake lapho ukuze ziphuma vele kade ufuna ukuduma ngani
sibize inkosi
yena bulala
asifusele umuntu lona kodwa na kumele umfusele umuntu lona
awungekho sisi bengekho abantu la
oh hayi ngithe hamba bayodla ngithe bahamba bayodla
sisi kwenzile nini hayi kahle sisi ufuna udubule bafuna udubule bese
ungafuna ukumbuza ukuthi ngingayimfusi
hayi
ufuna amafika
hayi
kumele ufusele umuntu lona
hayi ulele nomuntu
Usana. Ukahle. Ukahle. Eka pedestal, eka pedestal. Right? Uphuphala.
Balwandebelela.
Hayi nithe bahamba yodla bakhathele.
Ayisebenzanga ke mkhuleko yabo, ayisangisebenze la kancane. Ngibanjwa amaphupha mami manje.
Hayibo futhi. Uphupheni phela khuluma.
Yabona leli phupho. Uyabona abantu. Bayambamba, bayangiqinya. Kwaphoqa ukuthi ngidonse inhlali bathatha. Kwangiphoqa ukuthi ngidonse inhlali bathatha. Ngoba bengibona ukuthi athi baphuza inyongo. Hayi ngiphuza inyongo la.
Oh, kodwa ungalali nawe ngesibhamu, uyabona usuphupha kabi.
Kumele babuye kodwa la kade belela. Kumele babuye. Ngazi bayodlula, kumele babuye bese la. Bazokhuleka futhi.
Basayodla bazobuya.
Yo.
Yes, something wrong now. My body is painful.
Even mine also, like, they made us sleep on the floor.
So, that uncle, I'm a bonk.
Yeah, that guy is mentally disturbed.
He's mentally disturbed.
Mentally Not like me, he's his own type of mentally disturbed. Whole family.
I need to make a plan now when I suppose.
No. You were also involved in this.
I need to do my prayer. Baba.
It's not like that. You see, at that time, the prayers had expired.
Suppose when I'll private.
No. You see, you are more...
You are a coward.
No, I'm a coward for you.
For who?
For you. My love.
Oh, okay. If Malmura at the Bulu and out and
you see, your prayers were not gonna work. You don't have enough power. You don't fast.
Well, we are nothing.
Yeah.
What one? We are unemployed. I know.
Yeah.
My prayers to work.
No, but don't worry about it. Me, when I was young, I won a soccer trophy. Something, you know.
Soccer trophy.
An achievement.
Soccer trophies, Busis.
It was an achievement.
Achievement. I'm doing achievement one.
I know that you're not doing anything now, but we can have a plan.
What plan? What can you do?
We can go look for jobs. We've been looking for jobs. It's fine. We can. That auntie was talking about heists. We can do a heist.
Heist, Sibusiso.
Yes, we can do a heist
Hayi
also.
Sibusiso, wena udakwima-plan kompela hlala. Sleep. You are drunk.
Yeah, but they made us sleep on the floor. It's fine. Let me just come join me also.
Join a man.
Come join me also. Let's sleep.
Ndlala.
Ukonilwa makonana. Eish, wathi ngifonele isimama ngiyasaka wathi.
Hello.
Yo, what's up, mommy?
Ngithanda kanjani ungibiza mama?
You know, mommy, come on, I got you.
Uzwa nini wabe uthe uza last week kwenzakalani kanti?
Don't worry, I'm gonna come soon. I'm gonna come.
Akuthi uhlala usho kanjalo.
Hey, yo, are you calling me a liar? I'm gonna come soon.
Okay ke ngiyakuthanda.
I love you, Zambia. Okay, man.
How could you do this?
Kensenya,
How could you do this?
Kensenya.
How could you do this, man?
Emfethu.
How could you do this, man?
What's up, man?
I'm talking about Zandi. I told you that I one tape. You busy doing this. Don't call me my boy. Don't tell me to relax. You know, it's fine. I'm gonna tell my son about this. How could you do this, man?
Mfethu, wahlanya bathoje amazungu.
I told you that I was
Hawu,
busy.
wahlanya wena sane wena wahlanya wena.
What's wrong? No, it's fine. It's fine. I'll come back. It's fine.
Come in.
Hold
Alright.
I'm okay. How are you?
Wabuya ngathi nje uluze i-court case kwenzakalani?
Can I ask you a question, Mazo?
Hayi, uzohlala phansi. Hawu. Ngiyenzeni?
Don't look like you don't know what I'm talking about. How could you do this, Mazo?
Hayi, uyangilahla ke manje. Awungizwa kahle uthini?
Your man.
My man.
How can you choose him over me?
Kokuqala nokubona nje umbuka ngendlela engingayizwisisi. Kwenzakalani?
Your man, Clady. Yes, that's your man, right?
Ukhuluma yena ngani? Ukhuluma ngani?
Your man, Clady.
Kwenzeni mkhathi ngazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngoba mina.
He was busy fighting me there outside. You choose him over there, over me. Why?
Indaba zami zothanda uzingena pha uyingane uzingena. Umfana omncane wena ungena pha endabeni zami.
How could you do this?
Hayibo. Thanda uphile kahle la ekhaya.
You know that I want you, but you're busy with Clady. That's the that I don't have.
Uthini wena?
He was busy fighting with me outside.
Hey, ngisawuzwa mfana. Ukhuluma ngohlanga, ukhuluma ngofight futhi kwenzakalani
Okay,
pha?
sharp. He called you, right? Yeah, American accent, right?
Yeah.
That's your man, Clady.
Cha. Naye indoda kodwa ngena uKlathi.
I'm telling you, he was busy fighting with me outside.
Wena uthini? Busy fighting Klathi. Uthini wena mfana?
Clady is your man.
Umuntu amakusuku Klathi.
I'm telling you, I was busy fighting with him there outside. I almost died. Almost. Wasn't it? Almost died. Because of him.
Awuhambe mbisi.
It's fine. I'll come back with your man. You, sis.
Mina Klathi.
Yeah, Satan. Yeah, I told you. I told you I'm coming back for you.
Wena santhando
Yeah, I
kaphula wena wenzeni wena?
I told you I'm coming back for you, right? Yeah, let's go.
Utholisa amazungu.
I told you, let's go, Baba. I told you. So, let's go. Let's go. Hey, Baba, let's go.
Yeah. Kwenzakalani? Khuluma phela, khuluma. Hey, ngibamba.
Hey, Charlie, step back. Step back. Hey. Talk, Charlie.
Bokwenzisa yini lokho? Ah, phela ngikuthatha. Nangumuntu.
Why are you gonna
Khuluma. Ngiyongena ubhuti bami la and bayokhipha ngoba ukokhuluma into ezwakalayo. Khuluma.
Uncles are coming, Charlie. Told you.
Wami,
I told you.
wami.
I told you. She's crying because of you. Look now.
Hey. Mama.
Explain yourself, Charlie.
Uskema mina wena. Uskema mina wena.
Kusana bomazini.
Baba. Webuthi. Ngicela mina Sisi kwenze
Ngiyakholela wena. Uyangihlolela lo.
Ukholelani manje?
Ngitshela mina. Mumbhekile mina njani ngiyabukeka umuntu onjani imubi ngimuhle kwenzakalani ngami? Khuluma. Lo mzezana uyangikhethisha mina.
Kanti nofisha.
Hayi.
Uhlangana kanjani lezo zinto?
Umbalo. Uyena onalo ngulo ekusangathi boyfriend angasi. Kahle kahle boyfriend nama kusumuntu okhona.
Unake manje ibhodi. Useyishawule lokho washami na. Ayithi ngene lo
Ungambani.
Awumamele.
Wemlisi. Kunesebenzi ukuba lapha wena. Ufuna lapha. Sisi makhala.
Ungachazi. Ngendlela baba. Ngendlela. Habuko.
And then Cholo lo sa tsebe ke le ke biseditse gore ke ikise magateng kwang wa ntshware for lerato la go.
Keep quiet about this.
Ngeke nomzezwana.
Sisi. Kahle. Yewe. Kumaphe. Hawu.
Cha. Uthi kanjalo
Yena baba.
emaphoyiseni for mina yokho umuntu okwenza lokho for
Bontate ke taba tsa batho ba babedi.
Sisi, ayikho lento leyo.
Wesisi. Kambe ngiyotholela le kude kude. Hayi lapha manzi.
hayi ke eyami le ndoda ukwami la ngizoyenza ngalokho
Utlwa
Usenjalo manje.
ya suka ngiyabuya kwami nendoda yami
sale ngambe wenda.
yes
Ngizwana lo. Engenza kanjani sisi nje kodwa
Ukusikhulumela yena. Uye futhi usephuma.
awumtshele nje. Hambile manje nomzwezwana. Yazi sisi bayakwenza wenza into ongafuni ukuyenza. Yazi. Hambile manje.